All right, you're going to be using Graphical GW or Graphical to graph your data for the electric force lab. You should have these apps, but if you don't, they're available on the App Store. So I'm going to first show a video just detailing how to graph data in Graphical with the GW. So you're going to see a screen that looks like this. You're going to hit New Experiment and then Manual Entry. You're going to double click on the cell to enter your data. Once you've entered a row of data, you're going to hit Next on your keyboard, and that'll allow you to enter more data points. Okay, then you have this graph, and you can't see the X or the Y axis. So you're going to click the button in the bottom left-hand corner with the 3 dots that kind of looks like a graph and choose Graph Options. Then you're going to set the X-axis range and the Y-axis range. You're going to set that bottom range value to 0 for both. That way you can see your whole graph, and then you can get a better sketch knowing where the X and Y axis are. So if you're using Graphical without the GW, this part is for you. So again, you're going to hit Manual Entry. Then if your screen doesn't look like mine, so if yours just looks like a graph, there's no data table, you're going to hit that button in the upper right-hand corner that looks like 3 boxes, and make sure you choose Graph and Table. You're going to double-click again to add data. And then you might run into the same problem that we did previously, where we don't see the X and Y axis. So you are going to hit the same button, actually, and hit Graph Options, Edit Graph Options, and again, so this is a little bit different, you're going to hit Scaling Automatic and instead select Always Show 0 for both the X-axis and the Y-axis range. Then if you still can't see your data, you're going to hit the bottom button that looks kind of like a magnifying glass. You're going to hit that button to make sure that you can see all of your data to get a good sketch.